Yeah, greetings to everybody watching. Mata wuni bet unran. My name is Mayor. Nyanga di follow the Mayor. So today I want to talk about the clan identifications in Anua culture, which is honorific titles. It's gonna be all about honorific titles, which is the clan identifications, or how the clan have been identified in the Anua culture. Um, so the clan identifications is called Pa, which is the honorific titles. Pa, honorific titles. So the title that would be given to a person to honor the clan that they are originated from. That's why it's called honorific titles or Pa. So this Pa, I would say in English it could be similar, this kind of same context with surname, though they are not the same. It is related to surname. So we know the term surnames is referred to the name of a person that share with a member of his or her family, tribe, or community. The name that has been shared uh, with other members of his or her uh, tribe or society or community, uh, especially the community or family or tribe, is the surname as we know in English. But in Ainua, is a different version. But that version in Ainua is called Pai. And this Pai in the culture of Ainua, or how the clan identify their culture, their clans in the Ainua culture, they are categorized into 12 category or 12 types of clan identification or honorific title in the Ainua community or in Ainua society. Um, and this is important to learn to know because in the family relation in the Ainua culture, uh, the Ainua people or the Ainua does not marry within the clan. We the Ainua people, they don't marry within the clan. Rather, um, that that is, if you do that, is a taboo in the family because the business um, endanger endanger over uh, the bride price talk when the family talked about it. Because whenever people are going to marry, there is a bride price that would be paid for the woman, and in that case, it is taboo and it's not going to be good for the family whenever something like this is happening. And it has been mentioned that one of the functions of the dance is to determine eligible, because there is a dance back in the days, but not currently or nowadays. In that traditional dance, so any member of the family or people would look for eligible individuals uh, for the courtships and marriages. And, and in this case, whenever people are dancing, they would ask themselves about their honorific titles. And if your honorific title is related either to your mom or your dad's side, you're not going to marry from that clan. You have to choose from different clan because that clan is your related. You are related with them, and nobody is taboo in our culture to marry uh, from a bloodline or to marry your relative. That is not allowed. So I just want to walk you through um, some the honorific titles of the Ainua the 12. The first one is Dowatwa, Dowatwa, and they are derived from the Dry, which is the creator. Dowatwa, they believe they are from the creator. Dry is the creator. or with God. So they are from there, the word Chua. And the word Maro is the second. Third is the word John. Fourth is Jopungu. The fifth one is the word Malo. The sixth is the word Lualo. Seventh is the word Tong. Eight is the word Nadi. Ninth is the word Kayo. Tenth is the word Jua. 11th is the word Namo. And 12 is the word Mo. These are the 12 clans in among the Nua society, whether those who are in South Sudan or those who are in Ethiopia, they have this all kind or all type of honorific title. And remember, same group within sharing the same honorific title, they are not going to marry themselves. So they have to marry out of the honorific, out of the clan that they have. Like my clan, which is from my mom's side or dad's side, I'm not going to marry from there, but I would rather marry from a different clan among the 12. So that's how it works. Therefore, I would like to express a little bit in Dainua as well, so that uh, people could understand the meaning and why we are using these honorific titles in the context of Ainua culture. There una pua kajira na ka kor kongo maro pae be gin ni chike go na be jo man ngi do to man kaliye ro pae mon do kuri mo na tong na par kurio ba do kuri mo na ngi ni be nomi ka waru ka per tem di chuan no pa kor men ni da go pa kor wonde tier gna tin man ka pere be per ne win na burwa na bu na dama na be nyom ka wade ka pere no pak meru be man no di chuo pa kor men ni ye bu le kor men ni ne be nyom na tum men nyare to wala pak nyu woni be pa mo ki ne be mo po ka kal ye gino moro ni cheno ke kongo moro na nya eno do kudi no par kuryo mo nya bare mana te lo Sudan ki Ethiopia ujuna nyu bare do kuri mo ya par kuryo kerge do kuri mo na par kuryo ucha kango no top le dagi tung dago a tung no tung joy no dagi tung dago mucha gango karok do kudi mo no pira par kuryo mana do kong mon be jo wot chwa jo kal ri chwai kore jo wot mara kapar jo wot chwa no ne na dago and I chwai ne na di chwa na win chwa no jo wot mara be jo no pa na mar el wa mi wora jana na mar ne jo wot mara be jo ne cha ne to no no page pag na mar ne di chwa na komar kore jo wot jang jurkut ko ne ga kala raj bini ba ba pa ga na karam ene ne dawa a jang bana na di chuo na wijang jopungu dawa teng mera ana unyo ko ko bang jopungu yo ba ji ma gina jwara nyu to go joy jo kala rungu nyu to go teng mera cheno ren jopungu ngu mo chungi nyo ngu luar ko lo yo ko kel no pie kan ye dum pia pen kara jo wot malo pon ke kia jo wot malo be bigi bicher ge be jo wot walo jo wot malo no teng mar bigi no be ko amal diga amal ni kutchang be ji mo kom ni jo kala mal jo wot malo kan horo le man ko na gana alien ki jo maya ver ji mo be mo kal mal ko no ni lara lek no pigi pe ko no lero mar ge bete no do kuri mu ni pira par kurian dang tengen the word malon nut kare ne di chuo moro na win kut chang win malo ne dawa na mal ni kut chang mal diga muy be jo word malo ko wa do jo word lwalo be joy ne jo miel dan to ki do ko no be lwal burgoy bogi chano no be jo war lo be kini chano no be man to no miel na dago ena dwal no miel burgoy muy be te chano no dingi jiri be chakti yogo jo mong jo na nyakani ka kore jo war lo kore jo war tong be ji mo kal renye jo no kal renye be jo war tong be nyo chwok ko hitong ko hikal muy no be ji mo kal rong nye be no be gana jo war tong no abang jo war na be ji mo kat ken to ne ji yer yo yo mok man den man chana jo war na den kala rong bare ba pakare yo war na de gana ji mo gana kur ke de man kakai ken jo dong mo na jo war na de lo man chani ga mi bane de ji ko ne jo war na de kala rong bare pakare mana ko pata dire jo war na de kare to chel mun ba nywa ba ke ni kakai ken ngat war na de ken de gui da mo de chura de gui war na de ka mo pot mono pono marge gene to ma war na de no nyon kena ya no nyon kena mono batal ito nga de da to kau tu na ngat mena na dago wala na nat no to ne ngete na mal no to oto mono bere ye de gwino de gwi war na de joro ye to o de gwino no potan jami dai mete te man ni je mo to ko ma ngato ko be na jo war na di wala na ngat war na di kor jami mo jo wat ka no to be ka njok joge jomok to ge na jwara jomok to jona boto peno to no lo pan ge kare ge pu po na kan kare no dok bar kan mo be jo wat ka ya mana no be pagi jomok jona ya kai be jomok jona kun ne jona lo ya don be jona ya jwara no poro ko bar mana jo wat jwa po ne to potena ga pagi par ku cherge jo wan na mo taw tengen yu kuna no to bi ta ja nam kuna jo wan na mo to be jo no po na nam wala ne di chuo di chuo no win nam kore joy jo ma ba kare kala nam kare be jo wan na no wara mana muri no apar kru yo be jo wan mo po na mo ngen juro juro nya mo nyu peno eh win mo mo punut bet be ji ngwan jo kala dota man no ne jo wan mo ko ko ngo marang ona nywa nywa bet do kuri moy be no chakaro kore no tui no da mo kar ka der mo to ten ne para chano ko matin ten dot wa mi wara chano ini ena ni jo wan maro do to man wan maro kere tui uchakako ne pae mo ge chano gane jo be ba mar bagini tui mo uchakai do kure mo pira pichel imagine you to ga nywa chano no do chak tu do to ka per ko do tai ne dong ini no kere pae no kore no gan do kuri mo kena tui mo na pian ra pichel do mo jo wan maro kere dong do kore mana do pong uyu chano no na tunga chel mana rok jo wan maro bo wiu be kwar jo po wiu join jo po wiu di chengen geni duri juro kare na mar ba gina nying po wiu kare po jo na gina jo po wiu ba gina jo wan maro ungwech punu to ne be kwar jo po ngwech ne be join di pan ba tata lo Ethiopia nen tier go kwara da no wa ko bar mano ne be bar gila ko war dagi ubu be kwar jo nyon ne be join nen pin kewan no nan batu penan duti jura di ko amar di mo pa nyamar mon kali kor bi amar man more ba manatir ba mar juro no na mar do one maro dagi pot ke lo bodu pena go to ye de ten pen ye wan juro juro ye kare ten jokal ro bo gini ne be joy ne pen ye wan dagi kare mo pang namar bo pon ne dot man buon kare ne be dot one maro ne jokal den be tuwa to wi chano jokal karo be no tia o boj ne to juro nyo boj dawa mo juro o boj nan kana na te kan mana dengar tiado lain man chan ko ngi ko to ni de pa ni ko ina nyu bo chen no ina mar nyu bo nyu to ko no u bo man pona na damang chel to mana rok tui mo ana bi chel nak mo jo wat maro nyu to ko no bo bo man jo mo ga chen no mana te ru wiu ku ngai ku bo ke nyin yo gana nyimme ana me ge chel gana nyu ta na chel ba u bo ana wo ñu taga gini jana megu po menina kurkere jana wo no lano no podo ko manno ke bad man kora amar talo be jo no dum do talo tengen no mera wa ana ko sorry fa mera wa mi wara ne be amar julu ñu baj so ini julu wa ma ñu baj jana ina amar talo ten wara nu jolo matalo kaparngo ena pomar ba eno matalo to kapar ena jo wan maro mon o ke lo che che na do talo che kore che no talo be man ya don kore no ki jo maya no joy bet ena pag na mar to wala mar ni dona wala mar dagi mer jo man che be kapar o pai no kuran ki ye bok cha ki bate doko amar no wan jalle wala amar jima muy ben ni chwal ni chana ne ri chwal ni chana ne gana chwo gana wan ye kwe ka wan maro lan man pa gana ko mar bo mo ga chana ne gana man kare be mo gana pa nya mar na do mar ni do na ko mo ko be kore no ko wo no gana te man je lan do bon maro ke de to ko per ma to na do to wai na duong to ne je mo ro ke nyam te ngan teng jo amar talo de gi ngam yo ka mar to ba mar to ka mar to ro ke ban ngam ke per do bon maro ke tu ke to te to ro ke ngam yo ke de ba ke per man na family line ai na duong teng amar talo no ro ke ban ngam ka mar talo ba mar talo ra men ngam de ka mar to kwa no jo wan maro ma dong mo ka kan mar ka youtube video man lain ka man chanu ka pera wala lain man ti yu ko to ja memo ko ti ro ya ichano no ki man no man ni chano be lo wa mi wara na jo wan maro no wa bang mi mera mi mera chano na ni jo tibu chano ki jo maya kana jo tibu lain man ko na kana jo wat to gana jo wat to mera chano ena nya tuti nyuru bau a tuti nyuru bau wala tuti upara cham a tuti upara cham ena ni jo tibu nyu ka go tibu chano no ena ro ji wala ena ro to uri monak mo jo wat to kore bege no pak to nyu pin na nyu pin tong tang wa chano mi mera ena nyu pin na ena nyu pin tong ena choi nyu pin na nyu ka go no gana jo wat to ka loje nyu ka go wa mi mera ini ena ni jo wat to về nhu pin na ba wa mi wara ena ni jo wat mara nyu ta go jo wat to ka jo wat mara pre jo no pa merano ena jo pungu be chwal na a chwer ngur gilo kore no ngu man jo pungu mo beji mon na nu to kare ka per do to man ni ko chole na ji ko mu be kor woni mo wang wara poro ni daro wang wara poro no be eni pare kai be ni kiri mon be na jo ina ngata jwara rob jo jwara mo no do to man ne kal yen ka per a poro ni daro ni mo ka te wang wara mo na be wara mo mat wang go mo te ni atumu na ngati ni jo ko mu be jo mo ka atu ko jo jo kenna kore jo pona gura gwe yetu ba kwara chana no mo wang wara poro na be ni ngol berayan ini ena ngat pungu na be tira go na mera de cholo na chir ngu gilo eh chir ni wanja chir ni pul ni kwana moino o ba ka para pa kor mera pa kor wara ka par wara chana no gene tungi ye yuto go be do watong be mera ena ni jo pungu yuto pre jot nyoma no muti manya go ne jeta na nyoma do to boro mo pa na du ro tung pa te nga chana ko kor gi ya mar mera ke per man mera ena jo pungu go pa na kwany le non ko achwer wala le non to na wen mur gi la per ngu mana ko be mur gi la jama kal ji na be par ji mo na le non to na ko chwer mur gi la ana wen wa ja ana wen pul ni kwana ana wen chwaru gat ana wen tuna char tung mana kal be tuna char wala ana wen tuna bala abala gwak man be jokal yu pungu le mo no gak bo ka par do ku di to eh ana win tu no chamude ana win wangali ana win twar bare ka par twar bare dawo ni kiri wala ko nan dawo ya jwara mo nga kore no mo ginno ka to na cha ka lo dere pai ka pu no na win wu di ka ba mo cha ka to ne bo lo mo na pu no chong ka denge ana win pura mo Kapag tu da mo to ma mo da mo bo na ba te ko no ju pa ka tere ka per tur man ke ne ana win kwan ni ito jai to ko da mo to ke jo po lore ka per ki pa lo po da mo tu din ka ko ne na ki jai po lut ke to ka per no po da na win ja to ana win ja kore gi be no ba no ki no be ja do per le ki ko ngomaro ne mi dan ena gi mo per da Betira ka no na tu na oni na ngati man no mare na te ni nyari yo mo kan no da no woni chore wala ni mari wala ni nari de mo no gino na betta no ni to ko manya ko na mai on me to ta ra pole ke dong pu yu bwe do kuri mo nya ini ya nyari ya nga ke li to mo ngi ko per prel na ngo na tu to no ni kura kalo yenga ni to dok rok dok kuri mo yenno ini ya mari mari dimo gudu chung mon kau pe mor ko aka to ro mo batu na rok tui wono ra poten ro ka te mana chana mo jo wat wa no mo jo wat maro ne pira bichel to kuri bichel mo dongo be mo ko kang mo ko pur pi baru pen ni to no ra go jero no ngo man anwa kare yang ada dok yang ati mo ge bet ba bichel mo pa ko ri mo pa ge de do kro mo na par ko ri dagi mu ta kai na dongo be tengen jo wat maro kere no tuna duong kel jo wan mar ke de kere do be tu nyom be nyom ginno prela ka diri ya ini pa mu ngi anyari ya ni di chua nyari pa ne te nga chana nyara pa ne nyara ba kuin kal nyara ba kuin tong nyara po na kuin jong kora gibet le man tu ba mana tu de mun ba kuin tong pero wana jo wa tong wala kuin kal wala nyakal duna ni no wara duna ane ana wonyo ko ko bang jo wa tong duna na win kal ban to wore wala jai mo wala dama di chula na win kal lañ mën tuwe no choka a kwen kal to lañ mën tuwe na ni choka ka kor ginatu mono not ka per ginatu ma kalwa dire yung wana jo wato be chano no nyara chano na kwen kal te nyara no makara charo na kwen kal kara ke lo pa ga chano kwen kal be giya kara mu wape wara to a kor men wara chano na wara a kor mar men ne burwan ko kor men ne burwan jira ning jiri mu be no be jo man be ro ki ko ngomaro jami ne tuwe ngiro no dano be jom ke nyawat and no oni gino go manya tuwe ne be lu manya ne kibati. Yeah, I just said a lot and I've spoken a lot and I know I'm trying to explain how these honorific titles work. As I said earlier, we have 12 clans in Ainua, and among those 12 clans in the Ainua context, um, these are really, some of them, they are really huge, they're big, and they've been categorized into sub-clans. For instance, one of the examples that I gave is about the clan of my grandma on my father from my father's side. So my grandma from my father's side, she's from Yowat Mara. So the salutation for her, honorific title for her is Amar, uh, and my dad is Amar. And in this case, Mara clan, they are categorized or they are divided into six categories. The first person from the Mara is Owiu, which is we have a people that called Jopowiu. They are from Owiu clan, sub clan. And then we have another second person called Onwech, and Onwech is Jopongwech, and currently they are people lives in Dipa area around in Bargila, near to Tata Lake in Gok district. And the third person is Obon, and Obon is a descendant of Inyoy, which is the people who are living. Some of the members who are living in Benkel on the Opena River, on the shore of Opena River. Those who are in Pinkel, some of them you can hear like most of them call Amar. So they are from this clan called Wat Maro, some of them, because there are other also clan within Pinkel or within the Opena area. And I want to go walk through all of it. And the fourth person is Yingyo. Yingyo is the descendants of Jopinyo or people of Pinyo. Pinyo is still along the Opena River, on the shore of Opena River. And these four uh, people, these are the people, and these four people, they are from the same mom. Because polygamy is allowed in animal culture, and a husband could have more than two wives. And then in that case, their their fathers had another also son called Umboch, and that's why Joboch. That's why we have another sub clan of Jowat Maro in Tedo area. Tedo is located in Nekani. So these are some of the group. So so they share the same dad with the above four, which is Owiu, Umet, Ubon, and Ninyo. They share the same dad but different mother. So that is their step brother. And finally, Amar Talo, they are the one who remain in Otalo, in a Don area, and their salutation or the honorific title is Amar Talo, like that of uh, my dad. It's called Omar Talo, so he inherited that name because of his mom side. He took the honorific title from his mom side, and that's why we have this huge six category of the word Mar. The same is true for other uh, honorific titles as well. So we have several categories in it, and the main important things here is to consider is for you if you are an annual not to marry from your relative. If you share the same honorific title with your relative, with the person that you are in love with, or somebody that you want to marry, in that case you don't need to come together or marry that person. You just need to look for someone else who have a different honorific title. So this could be uh, for today. Amanyano puano kapal DJ, and I will come again with another topic. And don't forget to share with the people around you so that they can learn about Anua culture. No no kajira weaker will come on Norito kaji moga language ito ate mano kaparo man nga ko nga baro perela ba ini na pai na what is your honorific title, what is your client identification if you are an Anua namina Anua but write in the comment section, go to comment section. I just want to see. Thank you guys. You have a blessed day, evening, wherever you are, and hope to talk to you and see you back later. Bye.